guys, Cindy A. Lewis here, and I did get to go out to the Dollar Tree real quickly and run by Michael's. We're looking for something specific, but I did pick up a few things that I thought I would share while I'm waiting for my husband. So let me show you what I got at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so as you can see, more flowers, and this particular Dollar Tree that I went to, they are like almost out of their fall foliage. They had just some, and then they have started pulling in their Christmas foliage. So better pick it up while I can. So I picked up some more because I want to do some more of those little arrangements that I just did on my channel. So if you haven't seen that, I'll link it below. But they turned out so cute, and they really are inexpensive to make. And you could sell them, you could give them as little gifts or little thank yous, or just set them around your house just to brighten up your home for very, very inexpensive. So more flowers, and if I don't use them this year, I can always use them next year. Okay, so if any of you saw my Rapid Brownie Baker product review from the Dollar Tree, this is it. So I bought 2 more of these, and I'm going to make some gift baskets. So what did I get to go in the gift baskets? Let me show you. So besides the Rapid Brownie Baker, which bakes your brownies in the microwave in about 3.5 minutes, and 1 package of brownie mix works in here, not a box, but the package. So it works perfectly, and they come out really good. And I also picked up these from the Dollar Tree to go with the gift basket. What a cute idea, right? And so I'm going to put the brownie mix, the brownie baker, I'm going to put those 2 utensils, and maybe a couple of other things in the gift basket. And what a neat idea, right? So I did pick up 1 of these wall hanging decor that I had not seen. This is the one with the apples. I got the one with the pumpkin, but this one's so cute, and it's in the shape of an apple. Fall harvest, it says it all over it, right? And then since they are starting to lose some of their fall decorations and decor, I did go ahead and pick up some ribbon. This one is the leaves, really pretty. And then this one is the plaid. I really like that plaid. And then I did pick up 1 more pumpkin. I have this one, but I went in and picked it up. And then I picked up a couple of these tins. I thought I would try them out for the little fall decorations. I'm not sure if I really like this part, this decoration on here, but you know, it might look okay. We'll try it out and see how it looks out. So anyway, that's what I got at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so Michael's. Let me show you what I got at Michael's. I did get some of this Sport Flex iron-on for the Cricut, and it's white, and it was on 40% off, so did go ahead and get that. I'm gonna be making some t-shirts. And then I needed some Mod Podge, the matte finish, so I did go ahead and get that. I did use a 50% off coupon. And then I did pick up some spray paints. They had some really pretty colors, and I'm going to be doing some spraying some jars for fall, some mason jars. So anyway, just wanted to let you know that. Also, Michael's has the photo boxes for $1.99. If you don't know what I'm talking about, let me show you. Okay, so the photo boxes are these. If you're not sure, they are, you get 1 photo box for 4x6 photos, or 14 DVDs, or 18 CDs, and they are really nice for storage. And I like the white ones because they kind of are clean looking and everything, but then they have all kinds of decorated ones that you could use for anything. But anyway, $1.99. I really like these, and they usually do put them on sale. Sometimes they're like 4 for $10, something like that, but $1.99 I thought was really good. So anyway, wanted to share those few things with you. They do have 50% off coupon this weekend at Michael's, so if you, I think it's 50% off a regular priced item. Plus they have all kinds of sales, and all the fall is 60% off. Plus, they're starting to put out Christmas stuff. So anyway, I hope you find some good deals, and I hope I've inspired you for this quick haul. So have a good day. Bye.